Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a unboxing of a kit from 1988, and this is the instructions that came with it. It was a three cars in one combo kit. It was called the Ultra Rods combo set, a 125 scale from Revell, and I think the kit number was right here. Whatever that is, 7481R4200, and there's the date right there, 1988. Now the box had long been destroyed, so I separated the kits and I put this one particular one here. This is according to the label, it's a 72 to 73 Mustang Cobra jet. Now I've got it in an old Predicta box. I don't know if you guys remember that kit. That was another classic kit out of the 60s, I think. And this particular one was a repop from a few years later, but that was that kit. I've got that one built up in the display case. I'll show you that one in a future video. But for now, I think this is a 72, 73 Mustang. I'll go ahead and set you up right there. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Let's pop this bad boy out of here. No need to display the box, seeing as that's not what's in it. Here are the decals that came with the three kits. Some crazy looking graphics here. Oh, I see it. There's a little skeleton there. Took me a second. I didn't even realize that. I don't know if you can focus on that. And then this one here says Bad Boy. Another couple of skeletons. Another Bad Boy. License plate says Bad Boy. It looks like Illinois. And then Vet Fangs, which are the decals for the Mustang. And then Vet L88. Took me a second to make heads or tails of that one. So that's going to sit over there. This particular kit is molded in black, obviously. Let's see. Oh, and here is, I guess, the glass for this kit. Nice and scuffed up. Been moving around in that box for many years. 88. I can't do the math. That's what is that, 46 years ago, I think. And it's open for the first time in 46 years. I'm going to go ahead and just dump this right out on the bench here. And right off the top we have the body. A little bit of scuffed up, but that's okay. We're going to sand it all down, clean it up, and paint it. Don't know what color yet. I think this is going to be my next build. It's going to be my next build because it's one that was down here closest to me. Nice lines on that one. Looks like the spoiler's molded right in. This little piece here, I'm not sure if that's part to be removed or if that's the way it is. Maybe a light goes in there, I'm not sure yet. Thickness is very nice. It's got a good feel to it. Not real slick or anything like that. Here's the interior. Nice detail on that. Console and the rear seat is molded in all in one piece. You got your clutch and your brake and your fuel pedal down there. Door panels are already in place. Here are the seat backings, and one seat, and the other one looks like it's fallen off. Here it is. There's the other seat. The exhaust. Some shocks for the shock towers. And this looks like the top of the radiator. The lower valance, it looks like right here. I think it would go that way. This deal here, yep, a little bit of flashing on there, no big deal. Okay, not a whole lot of detail on this one. Here's the back, yeah, this way, the back end of the Mustang. Cobra jet, sorry. Exhaust manifolds, the heads, oil pan, small radiator. Part of the exhaust muffler system with some piping that goes around. That's different. Here's the rear end with the leaf springs attached. 2, 4, 6, 7 bladed fan right here. Decent looking steering wheel. Dual snorkel intake manifold. And this looks like the carburetors that would go on top of it. Must be a chrome air cleaner to cover that up. Fan belt and pulleys. Starter, distributor, brake booster, and master cylinder. And water pump right there hiding on the side there. And here we have the dashboard, which is really nice looking. Reminiscent of Thunderbird. Fan shroud, some A-frame or shock tower supports, engine and transmission. I'm not sure what size engine it is. I'm going to guess a 302. It's funny. It says yellow right here, so this kit must have come molded in yellow at one point, but obviously it's not. The frame says Revell 1988 right there. Don't know if we can get you to see that. This is the whole undercarriage of the vehicle. Fuel tank molded in. Nothing fancy going on here. Oh, and there's the hood. I almost missed that. Crazy looking hood. Got air intakes on 5 different spots. And it looks like the you could also cut it out if you want to do that dual snorkel dual quad system. Yeah. Here we have the wheels. And I think 15 here. I'm not sure if those are custom valve covers or if that's the snorkel for the air cleaner rather. Here's the valve covers, little mirror, custom exhaust it looks like, bumper, little tail panel. It says Shelby on it right there. I don't know if the light will pick that up. Front trim for the hood. Looks like something missing here. Oh yeah, I'm guessing that would go right there. That's where your the whole front grille assembly is. Shifter, alternator, a couple of miscellaneous bits, mirror, and that. Oh, and here's the actual carburetors. Okay, so they have a little more detail to them, not much. And these round things here, I'm not sure what those are. Oh, you know what? Those are the stacks for the tops of the carburetors. Set that aside. For tires, we have a multicolored rubber here. Not sure if you can see that. Looks like an old coin as it starts to age and get toned. Wow, I'm surprised. I really thought the other side of this was going to be white walls, but nope. They are Goodyears. It says GT radial on them. They appear to be all 4 the same size. And then just black walls on this side. And for lights, hey, check it out, guys. That's funny. We have a red B. There we go. Maybe one day we'll get the whole alphabet. We had a couple of A's in the past. There's a B. That's funny. And then yet another B in this one. Let's see, I guess it would go whichever way, that way. And these are, looks like tail lights, marker lights, something. And then one brake light. Hopefully the other, I'm bummed. I'll have to do some digging, try to find that. It looks like there's one missing, but I'm assuming that is a tail light. And here we have the instructions. Now remember, this is a three kit. Yeah, 3 cars. The first one was a 60s Corvette. Obviously, it says there. I'll just go real quick through that one. Maybe. Turn you a second here, sorry. Yeah, there's the Corvette. I'll have that kit unboxing in a future video. Here's the Cobra jet. Start you out with building your engine. Putting the engine in the frame. Once you got it all painted and detailed to your liking. There's a little roll bar, that's cool. I don't know if I called that out. Here's fan parts. I'm sorry, the radiator parts. Oil cooler, that was that other little thing. Okay. Here's a glass, windshield mirror, your shocks. Put it in place. Got little riser blocks for the leaf springs. That's kind of neat. There's some more rear shocks. That's your brake booster and your firewall detail, radiator hose, stiffeners, what they call them. Alright. There's the lenses. License plate frame, I didn't see that. Yep. That was the oh, those things that I thought were air cleaners are actually the bezels for the rear taillights. There, that makes sense now, but yeah, I am missing one of the lenses. No big deal. I'll go through that parts bin right there. I'm sure I can find something. That one there is loaded up with all the glass, you know, got multicolored glass and whatever in there. Hopefully there's a little tail light floating around in there, or it's mixed into the Cobra, or I'm sorry, the Corvette, the previous kit I just showed you in here. It might be in that box, hopefully. If not, I lost it and, well, I'm bumming. Here's your Shelby badge, goes across that piece on the top there. Some scoops for the side. Hood with hood pins. That's neat. That was one of the chrome pieces, I'm sure. And that's the final product right there when it's built. I'll go through and look online for a picture of the box that these three kits actually came in, so you kind of get an idea. And here's just a quick glimpse of the other Corvette. It was like an early 80s, 83 and up body style. I'm not sure which actual body style. I'm going to say up to like 85, 86. Remember, this whole thing came out in 88, and that's the final product of that one. So, alright folks, there you have it. Another fine unboxing. I hope everyone's having a great day. I want to thank you for your time. As always, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back and see another one. Have yourselves a great day, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.